Okay, so I'm basically going to be doing a tutorial on this look. So if you want to know how I did this, keep watching. Say hi, Jade. Say hi, Jade. Okay, and I'm going to start off by using my YSL Blur Primer. And I'm just going to take a small amount and start rubbing that into my face. Next, I grab my spoolie and I start spooling out my eyebrow. Then I grab my Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade Chocolate and start doing my eyebrows. I start by outlining my eyebrow. I usually start at the bottom and then continue with the top. After I'm done outlining my eyebrows, I start filling them in. Then I use my spoolie to blend my eyebrow out. Next, I do my foundation with my Born This Way foundation in the shade Warm Sand and my IT Cosmetics foundation brush. I start by applying a few small drops to each cheek and then blending it in. And then I do the other side, my chin, under my eyes, and then my nose, and then my forehead. Next, I use my Fenty Beauty concealer stick in the shade Sand, and I put that underneath both my eyelids and blend it out with my beauty blender. And then I do my jawline, my chin, and then the other side of my jawline. Next, I conceal my forehead and then blend it out. And I use my Fenty Beauty contour stick in the shade Truffle. That down the sides of my cheeks, the bridge of my nose, my jawline, my forehead, and under my lip. Then I get my Kylie Birthday Collection brush and blend it all out. Then I get my Real Techniques shading brush and then I blend out my nose contour. Next, I set my concealer with my Kat Von D translucent powder using a dry beauty blender. Then I pat that underneath my eyelids. I bring it down the bridge of my nose, my jawline, my chin, then my other jawline, and then my forehead. Now I let that sit for a while. And I go in with this big fluffy brush from Real Techniques and I start brushing it out. Next, I use the D6 setting spray from Urban Decay to set my face. I give it a couple seconds to dry. Next, I grab my Sephora 92 highlighting fan brush. I grab my Moonchild palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Using the highlighter called Pink Heart, I just apply that to my cheekbones. Then I spray some setting spray to make my highlighter pop. Then I do the other side. I forgot to do this step earlier, but I go back in with my NARS concealer in the shade Biscuit using my Real Techniques brush and I conceal my eyebrows. Then I use my shading brush and I blend that out. Then I grab my Jaclyn Hill palette and I use the shade Roxanne. I apply with my Kylie Jenner Birthday Collection eyeshadow brush. Next, I grab the color Sissy and I apply that on top of Roxanne. I grab the color Royalty and I apply it to the outer corner of my eyelid. Next, I grab the color Pukey and apply that all over my lid. Next, I grab the shade Hunts and apply that to the center of my eyelid. I grab the color Creamsicle and I apply that on the inner part of my eyelid. Next, I get a clean brush and I blend out the outer part of my eyelid. Next, I grab my Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow by Stilo in the shade Kitten Karma and I apply that in the crease of my eyelid. Then I get my Anastasia Beverly Hills brush and I blend out the edges of my cut crease. I get my angled eyeshadow brush and I blend it out. And add another layer of Kitten Karma on top. And blend it out all over. Grab my white eyeliner from Sephora and apply that to my crease. Then I apply Kitten Karma to my bottom lash line. Then I blend that out. My NYX white liquid eyeliner and I apply that in an upward motion under my eye. Next, I grab my black Marc Jacobs eyeliner and apply that to my waterline. After that, I apply my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara to my eyelashes. After that, I grab my Ardell Wispy Lash and use hair glue to glue my lashes on. I use my Better Than Sex mascara and apply it to my bottom lashes. Then I do the exact same thing on the other eye. I use my Kylie Lip Kit in the shade Brown Sugar and I just go around the edges of my lips. After I'm done with that, I grab the Too Faced Melted Chocolate in the color Metallic Candy Bar and apply that to the center of my lip. Then after that, I apply my NYX white liquid eyeliner down my chin in the middle of my forehead. Then I use my Moonchild highlighter palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade Pink Heart to highlight my brow bone. And that is it. That's how I got this look. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe below.